Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about my daily routine that helped me stay organized and productive. My daily routine. Every day, I follow a routine that helps me stay organized and productive. My daily routine keeps me healthy, active, and ready for my tasks. Following a routine helps me manage my time better and complete all my activities without feeling stressed. Morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. Usually, I wake up at 6 a.m. When I open my eyes, I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. This helps me feel fresh and ready to start my day. I slowly get out of bed and go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then, I brush my teeth with toothpaste and a toothbrush. Keeping my teeth clean is very important. After brushing, I take a bath or shower. I use soap and shampoo to clean my body and hair. The warm water makes me feel relaxed. After my shower, I dry myself with a towel and wear clean clothes. I comb my hair and look in the mirror to check if I am ready. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen for breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it gives me energy. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk or drink tea, coffee, or juice. My breakfast is always simple but healthy. After eating, I wash my plate and cup. I like to keep the kitchen clean. Going to school or work. After breakfast, I prepare my bag. If I am going to school, I check my books, notebooks, and pens. If I am going to work, I check my laptop, documents, and other important things. At 7:30 a.m., I leave my house. Sometimes I walk if my school or office is close. If it is far, I take a bus, train, or car. At 8 a.m., I reach my school or workplace. If I am at school, I attend classes and listen to my teachers. I take notes and do my assignments. I study different subjects like math, English, science, and history. Some subjects are easy, but some are difficult. I always try my best to understand my lessons. If I do not understand something, I ask my teacher or classmates for help. If I am at work, I complete my tasks and talk to my colleagues. I work on projects, attend meetings, and send emails. I try to stay focused and productive. Sometimes work can be stressful, but I take deep breaths and stay calm. Lunchtime. At 12 p.m., it is time for lunch. I usually eat in the school cafeteria or office canteen. Sometimes I bring my own lunch from home. I eat rice, vegetables, meat, or sandwiches. I also drink water or juice to stay hydrated. During lunchtime, I talk with my friends or coworkers. We share stories and laugh together. Afternoon activities. After lunch, I continue my lessons or work. If I am at school, I do activities like writing, problem solving, or group discussions. Sometimes we do presentations. I try to stay active and participate in class. If I am at work, I finish my tasks and plan for the next day. I check emails, attend meetings, and talk to my manager. Sometimes I feel tired in the afternoon, but I drink water and take short breaks to refresh my mind. At 4 p.m., I finish school or work. I pack my bag and say goodbye to my classmates or colleagues. Then, I go home. Sometimes I stop at a store to buy snacks or important things. Evening routine. When I reach home, I take some rest. I drink a glass of water and have a small snack, like biscuits, fruit, or yogurt. After resting for a few minutes, I do my homework or study. If I have no homework, I read books or watch educational videos. In the evening, I do activities that I enjoy. Sometimes I go outside to play sports, take a walk, or exercise. Exercise is important to keep my body strong. I also like listening to music, watching TV, or playing games. These activities help me relax and refresh my mind. At 7 p.m., I help my family with household chores. I clean my room, help in the kitchen, or water the plants. Doing small tasks at home teaches me responsibility. Dinner time. At 8 p.m., I have dinner with my family. We sit together at the table and eat delicious food. We talk about our day and share our thoughts. Dinner is a special time because I can spend it with my loved ones. I enjoy eating home-cooked meals. After dinner, I help clean the table and wash the dishes. Keeping the house clean is important for a comfortable life. Night routine and bedtime. After dinner, I take time for personal activities. Sometimes I write in my journal about my day. If I have extra time, I watch a movie or read a book. I also talk to my friends on the phone or chat with them online. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I pack my school bag or work bag, choose my clothes, and check my schedule. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. Clean teeth and skin are important for good hygiene. At 10 p.m., I turn off my phone and go to bed. I lie down and think about my day. I feel grateful for everything I learned and experienced. I close my eyes, take deep breaths, and slowly fall asleep. Sleep is important because it gives me energy for a new day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.